Hello girls, hello boys. This black Drongo, it was sitting on his on that Heron, that black Drongo. There is symbiotic relationship between these. Hello boys. Now it is going to sit there. Please carry on. Hmm? This is the Heron going and sitting there. Beautiful. They live together. This black Drongo, these buffaloes, you see, it is sitting on that buffalo. You see that black Drongo. And then there are mynas also. This black Drongo also was sitting on their back. You see, yeah, it is traveling. Okay, now it will sit. Okay, it is sitting on there. Oh, one black Drongo on one child and another black Drongo on another child. So this is symbiotic relationship between the animals. Bye boys.